Omkareshwari Pal from Kidpreneur Institute. I'm an etiquette coach and a soft skill trainer. On the 9th of January, I'm conducting this workshop called Kidpreneur, which is about these young minds with great ideas. Recently, I've come across a lot of young people who are doing so well in life. It's really inspiring and it is so good to see them reach where they have reached today. So I'm just bringing few entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs, and the way I'm getting inspired by them, I would like to show them to these young kids so that they understand and they know. So we'll be discussing about the skills and the habits and the things that they do that you can acquire and you can also reach where they are today. So we'll be waiting for you to see you on my workshop on the 9th of January from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So don't waste your time. Just register yourself for the workshop. Thank you so much.